Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF not working on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your control panel. And now from control panel, make sure your view by is set to small icons. Then just select device and printers. Now, you have to make sure your printer is connected. Go into printer and scanners. Then click on add device and make sure your printer is connected and it will detect here. After that, what you need to do is if your printer doesn't get recognized automatically, click here on add manually and then just add your printer here manually. And then what you need to do is go here to Microsoft Print to PDF, expand this and make sure your correct printer is selected in here. Then just close this. Then just go ahead and open your run menu, click on your start button and click on run. In here, type services.msc, click on OK. In here, click on any app, then click on P and search for printer spooler. Just double click on it. Then just make sure startup type is set to automatic or automatic delayed. Then just click on apply, click on OK. And if the status of print spooler is set to not running, just right click on it and click on start. Then just close this. Then just go to your search button. In here, search for Windows feature and just turn Windows feature on or off. In here, just maximize this. You need to search for Microsoft Print to PDF. Then if this is checked, just uncheck this and go ahead and restart your computer. After restart has been done, open this again and in here, just make sure to check this. Then just close this. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and everything should be working fine. And that is how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF not working on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.